So we are studying a new thing, matrices. So we have seen what is matrices, what are the different type of matrices, and some types we have seen. Then when we say two matrices are equal, and what is the order of a matrix, ये सब हमने देखा है. So now we will study the operations on matrices. Operations on matrices. That means we can add matrices. Okay, addition. So simple topics I will tell you very fast. Then we can subtract matrices. Okay, then multiplication. So that first I will tell you addition and subtraction. Addition, subtraction. इन दोनों के लिए इन दोनों के लिए so suppose if you have two matrices A and B or three matrices whatever it is, all matrices should be of same order. Should be of same order. Means same order का होना चाहिए. जैसे for example, suppose A is equal to -1, 3, 6, 0, 4, 1. So B is equal to 0, 0, 5, -3, 2, 7. So if you see, so if you want to find A plus B, सबसे पहले यही देखना है कि ये दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम है क्या, तभी आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. इधर फर्स्ट ए का ऑर्डर है 2 रोज 3 कॉलम्स, बी का ऑर्डर है 2 rows 3 columns. So that means we can add this. You can add these two matrices. So addition के लिए what you have to do is just simply add the corresponding elements. So either -1 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 6 plus 5, 0 plus -3, 4 plus 2, 1 plus 7. ऐसा लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली आप आंसर लिख सकते हैं. -1 plus 0 it is -1, 3 plus 0 is 3, 6 plus 5 is 11, 0 plus -3 is -3, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 7 is 8. So that's all. For adding two matrices, you can see that addition करके जो मिला उसका भी आंसर कितना है, उसका भी ऑर्डर कितना है, 2/3 है. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to subtract this, it is the same thing. You just subtract the corresponding element. That's all. For example, if you want to find A minus B, so just subtract -1 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 6 minus 5, 0 minus -3, 4 minus 2, 1 minus 7. Okay, so which is equal to -1 minus 0, that is -1, 3 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 5, 1, 0 minus -3, 0 plus 3, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 7, -6. That's all. And you can see that the order is again 2/3. So for addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices, so first of all, both should be of the same order, then only we can add two matrices. Or for subtraction also, if two matrices are of same order, then we can subtract. For addition, add the corresponding element. For subtraction, subtract the corresponding elements. So when you the result, so if the A plus B, the A minus B, that will be of the order of A and B. A and B का order जो था वही होगा A plus B का भी order. Okay. Then another concept, uh, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication.
सर
Oh,
सर वो a माइनस बी जो आया है उससे b माइनस से अपोजिट आएगा ना
नहीं, a माइनस बी,
साइन
हाँ साइन तो ऑपोजिट आएगा होगा. a माइनस बी इज not equal to b minus a, because if you find b minus a here, you can see that b minus a, just subtract 0 minus minus 1 1, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 5 minus 6 minus 1, minus 3 minus 0 minus 3, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 7 minus 1 6. See, so they are not same, but only thing is, what you can say, so that's point I am coming actually. They are not equal because these two matrices a minus b and b minus a are not equal, but you can see a plus b and b plus a are,
साइन एक्सचेंज
yeah, sign exchange होते हैं, but a plus b is equal to b plus a, क्योंकि कैसे भी
b
ऐड
प्लस
करेंगे
ए
सेम आएगा. सो इसलिए आप ये चीज एक प्रॉपर्टी आपको इधर मिला, आप बोल सकते हैं मैट्रिक्स एडिशन. मैट्रिक्स एडिशन इज कम्यूटेटिव, है ना. आपने जो कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ाई की ए स्टार बी, when you operate, order is not important, a plus b is same as b plus a, then that property is known as commutative property. So you understood matrix addition is commutative, but matrix subtraction is not commutative. Okay, बट एक्चुअली क्या होगा, ए माइनस बी क्या हो जाएगा, बी माइनस ए, ये दोनों एक दूसरे का नेगेटिव हो जाए. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हियर. मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स बाय ए स्केलर. स्केलर मतलब कांस्टेंट. सपोज यू हैव अ मैट्रिक्स, सपोज ए इज इक्वल टू 2 6 4 minus 3. If you want to multiply this matrix with the scalar, say some 7, 7a. If you want to multiply 7 into a, if you want to multiply a matrix with a scalar, what you have to do is you have to multiply every element. 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 4, 28, 7 into minus 3, minus 21. Okay, so that is, it is not multiplying two matrices. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If you want to multiply a matrix with a scalar, scalar matlab a constant, what you have to do is you have to multiply every element of that matrix with that scalar. So that is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. अभी हम डेफिनेशन, जो डेफिनेशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन, सब्ट्रैक्शन का डेफिनेशन हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, a minus b is nothing but a plus minus b. क्या करना सब्ट्रैक्शन का, इट इज एक्चुअली दिस द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. आई टोल्ड यू हियर द शॉर्टकट. सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना, दैट्स ऑल. So either a minus b is nothing but a plus minus b. So for the above question, so आपको पता था a is equal to minus 1 3 6 0 4 1, then 0 4 1, then minus b आपका b the 0 0 5, so 0 0 minus 5, minus 3 becomes 3 because minus से multiply. minus b मतलब क्या है, minus b मतलब minus 1 into b. अब every element को minus 1 से multiply कर देना, minus 3 that is minus 2 minus 7. So which is equal to minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 3 plus 0 3, 6 plus minus 5 that is minus 1, sorry 6 plus that is 1, 0 plus 3 3, 4 plus minus 2 that is 2, 1 plus minus 7 that is minus 6. देखो आपको सेम आंसर मिला है ना इधर. आप डायरेक्ट आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तभी आपको माइनस 1 3 1, इधर ऑल्सो माइनस 1 3 1, 3 2 माइनस 6 3 2 माइनस 6. सो आप, मैंने आपको बोला सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए, दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए जो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था उसका नेगेटिव ऐड कर देना. सो ये आपने पहले से पढ़ाई किया लोअर क्लास में, जो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना उसका नेगेटिव ऐड किया। सो बी का मैट्रिक्स बी का नेगेटिव मतलब यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बी विथ -1, सो ऐसे लिख सकते। सो बट इतना ज़्यादा लंबा करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं। इफ़ यू वांट टू सब्ट्रैक्ट यू कैन डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट। So either b minus a is nothing but, you can say b minus a is nothing but it is minus of a minus b, as Rohini said, it is minus of a minus b. Got it? I
Yes, sir.
So I have told you three operations. One is how to add two matrices, how to subtract two matrices. So for addition, you have, for addition or subtraction, you can add only those matrices whose order is same, dimensions are same. Other two matrices you cannot add. Suppose if you have matrix like A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. Your B is equal to 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 2. You can't A plus B. This is, you can't find. It is not defined. Can't find. Because the first one is having order 2 by 2. Next one is having order 2 by 3. You cannot add. Can't add. You can't find. Got it? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now matrix multiplication has some properties like first property we have seen already. Properties of matrix addition. If you want to add two matrices, first property have seen commutative. That means if you find a plus b or b plus a, both are same. Then associative property is there or not? What can you say? Associative property is there or not? Suppose you have two matrices. For example के लिए मैं लिख रहे हैं 1 5 2 3. B is equal to 0 1 1 0. C is equal to 6 6 2 2. Okay. So all you can see that all are of order 2 by 2. All are square matrices 2 by 2 2 by 2 2 by 2. So associative law, मतलब जैसे A, if you want to add three matrices, so first you add A and B, then add C to that, or first you add B and C, then add A to that. Are they will be equal or not? That is the question. So देखो A plus B, A plus B निकालेंगे तो पहले A and B ऐड कर देना. So 1 plus 0 1, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3. आपको मिला A plus B is equal to 1 6 2 3. अभी ये A plus B के साथ plus C. So 1 plus 6 7, 6 plus 6 12, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5. अभी आप पहले B plus C निकाल के देखो. B plus C, B and C ऐड करो. So 0 plus 6 6, 1 plus 6 7, 1 plus 2 3, 0 plus 2 2. अभी इसके साथ A ऐड करो. A plus B plus C. So 1 plus 6 7, 5 plus 7 12, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5. Both are same, no? See? So that means you can say they are equal. Understood? So associative law is there. Associative law. Hmm? So that is another property of matrix addition. Matrix addition is associative. That means if you want to add three matrices, what you have to do is you just add the corresponding elements. That's all, directly. They say directly, order is not important. A plus B पहले निकालो, then C add करो. नहीं तो B plus C पहले निकालो, then A add करो. The order doesn't matter. You will so the easiest way is just add the corresponding points. जैसे 1 plus 0, 1 plus 6 7. So answer is either 7. Then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5. 3 plus 0 0, 3 plus 2 5. So direct corresponding elements add kar lena. Got it? Then another property, existence of additive आइडेंटिटी। जैसे नंबर्स का केस में हमें पता है, जैसे कोई भी नंबर के साथ आप जीरो ऐड करेंगे तो आपको वही नंबर मिलेगा। जैसे -7 + 0 = -7। So normally we say zero is the additive identity। किधर है? इन इंटीजर्स, राइट, इंटीजर्स में और रियल नंबर्स में।
Yes.
रियल नंबर्स में भी करेक्ट है वो, इन रियल नंबर्स। So your number set is रियल नंबर्स था। सो कोई भी रियल नंबर के साथ जीरो ऐड करेंगे तो आपको वही रियल नंबर मिलेगा। देन दैट therefore zero is known as additive identity. Similarly, in case of matrix we have an identity. If you add जीरो जीरो मैट्रिक्स, कोई भी मैट्रिक्स के साथ आप जीरो मैट्रिक्स ऐड करेंगे तो आपको वही मैट्रिक्स मिल जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज 2 3 1 -4 1 7, इट्स अ मैट्रिक्स। इसके साथ जीरो मैट्रिक्स, आई टोल्ड यू इट कैन बी ऑफ एनी ऑर्डर, ओनली थिंग इज एवरी एलिमेंट इज जीरो। सो इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग 0 0 0 0 0 0, क्योंकि ए इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 by 2, this is of order 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 by 3. So that is why I wrote
two
2
by
by
two.
3. So if you add that, you see when you add 0 to 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 0 3, 1 plus 0 1, -4 plus 0 -4, 1 plus 0 1, 7 plus 0 7, you got the same thing. If this is your A, if this is your A, this is your zero matrix, you are getting the same matrix. So this is known as additive identity. So in matrix addition, there is a, so suppose A is a matrix, general form में लिखेंगे तो Aij of m by n, any order. Then this symbol is, then there exists. This is symbol. The symbol read as there exists. There exists zero matrix. Zero matrix. For example, so symbol
With
की
order m by n.
so order is means zero matrix a symbol O with order m by n such that A plus O or O plus A is same as A, then O is known as the additive identity. So this is true for every matrix. So for every matrix A, there exists, for every matrix A, there exists a zero matrix such that A plus 0 or 0 plus A is A itself. Then that zero matrix is known as the additive identity. Okay. Then fourth property, existence of additive inverse. पहले मैं number system में बोलूँगा, your set is real numbers. So any number plus 0, that is equal to that number itself. So 0 is known as the additive identity. And अब कोई भी नंबर के साथ उसका जो इन जो जैसे 5 plus -5, you are getting the additive identity. Then they are known as, these two numbers, they are known as additive inverses of each other. 5 is known as the additive inverse of -5. -5 is known as the additive inverse of 5, because if you operate that two elements, we are getting the identity. So when we operate two elements, if you are getting the identity element of that operation, so 0 is the identity element of addition. So when we operate 5 and minus, we are getting 0. So 5 is known as additive inverse of -5 and -5 is known as the additive inverse of 5. So similarly, there is additive inverse for every matrix. So let A be any matrix symbolically of order m by n. So then there exists which matrix होगा minus a, correct? such that such that ए के साथ माइनस ए ऐड करेंगे तो, नहीं तो माइनस ए के साथ ए ऐड करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलना चाहिए, एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स मिलना चाहिए. सो है देखो, सो फॉर एग्जांपल एनी मैट्रिक्स ए 6 4 -2 3, so you can see that there is a minus a which is -6 -4 2 -3. If you add these two, a plus minus a, which is 6 minus 6 0, 4 minus 4 0, -2 plus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So you're getting a zero matrix. So for every matrix A, there exists an additive inverse, and that additive inverse is nothing but a negative of that matrix. Okay, understood? Okay, now, so we have seen the properties of matrix addition. Simple thing, very simple, kuch nahi. And before going to problem, I just want to tell you some properties of scalar multiplication also. क्योंकि properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. I didn't told you till now how to multiply two matrices. I just told you only how to multiply a matrix with a scalar. Suppose you have two matrices A, which is of order m by n. What is A is a matrix. Say order is m by n. B is another matrix. General notation say Bij, order m by n. So K and L, K and L are scalars, मतलब constant. So one property says K into a constant into matrix A plus B, that is same as K into A plus K into B. So आप खुद verify कर सकते हैं, जैसे if you want to multiply sum of a matrix with a constant, you can find the sum first and then you can multiply with the scalar, or we just multiply the first matrix with the scalar, second matrix also with the scalar, then find the sum. The answer will be same. So we'll see one example. For example, I'm just for verification, I'm writing only very simple uh, matrix 2 3 4 5. This is just for verification. B is equal to -1 0 1 2. Suppose I want to multiply a plus b with, okay, 5. So 5 into a plus b. Direct add करके देखो a plus b. 2 plus -1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 plus 0, that is 3. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, so which is equal to, अभी मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए मैंने बोला हर एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 5 25, 5 into 7 35. अभी आप 5 into A प्लस 5 into B सेपरेट मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करके देखो. 5 into A, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20, 5 into 5 25, plus 5 into B, 5 into -1 5, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10. ऐड करके देखो, 10 plus -5, that is 5, 15 plus 0 15, 20 plus 5 25, 7 plus 35, which is equal to, sorry, 25 plus 10, 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. See, both answer is same. Both answer is same, isn't it? So what it means is if you want to multiply, means scalar multiply the sum of two matrices, either you can multiply the first matrix with the scalar, then second matrix with scalar, then you can add, or instead of multiplying matrices with scalar separately and then add, you can find a plus b. You can take common, k common from a and b. That's all. Understood? That is one property. Simple property that you can verify
Yes, sir.
yourself. It is not that a big thing. Similarly, another property, yeah, k plus l into a matrix A. It is same as k into matrix A plus L into matrix A. Simple that you try yourself, verify yourself. Like just say for example, if you want 5 plus 3 into A. So if you 5 into A and 3 into A, then you add, or directly you क्या कर देना, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 into A, ऐसे भी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. So K plus L into matrix A is same as K into A plus L into A. Okay, clear? That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
Yeah. So it's very simple properties.
Okay.
Now we'll go to do some problems.